Okay, today we're going to look at this Quaker State oil filter number QS173 and this Carquest oil filter number R84502. And I got this Quaker State oil filter at Menards for $1.99 plus shipping. And I got this Carquest filter at Advanced Auto Parts for $5.99. But you may be able to get them cheaper somewhere else. And these two are going to duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started.
This is a for you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration anywhere here.
Okay, let's start with the Quaker State. And neither filter really has any important writing on it, but you can freeze it right here and read this if you want. This is the English side. And I guess this is Spanish and French, or French and Spanish, I don't know which one's which. But anyways, let's open up, see what she looks like. Date code F08L0202. Made in USA. Distributed by Sopus Products, Houston, Texas. She has 7 inlet holes, elongated inlet holes. Bypass valve down below. Metal core with louvers. Nitro rubber gasket, which is on here pretty good. Pretty thick also. Looks to be a nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. And the threads, there's about 3 or 4 there. Okay, let's look at the Carquest. And also, nothing really on the box, but you can freeze it right here and look at this. You want to read it. And take a look at this filter. The date code F01P11C1. Made in USA. And distributed by North Carolina. Okay, also 7 inlet holes, bypass valve down below, metal core louvers, and a nitro rubber gasket, which is also on here pretty good. Also pretty thick. These base plates seem identical. Also a lot of grooves here, probably 4 grooves. Yeah, the base plates look identical. They actually have the identical writing on them too. And I opened up a Quaker State just a few days ago, and it didn't have a bypass valve, so I figured I'd open up a different one and compare it to another oil filter. I say we open these guys up and see what they look like inside. Okay, here they are cut open. Let's get their weights. The Quaker State weighs 253 grams. The Carquest weighs 259 grams. Base plates. Quaker State weighs 111 grams. And the Carquest weighs 112 grams. Actually, they're identical. Identical base plates. They even got the same numbers on them here. You get the 22 right there, and right here you got MM. It's hard to see it on this one though. And you get the S and the S. The Quaker State's a little better stamped, that's all. But they're the same. Identical. They're nice base plates. Got a nice amount of threads there. And anti-drain back valves, they're identical also. It's the Quaker State on my right. And the Carquest on my left. Let's see how they fit. They both fit nicely over the holes. Yep, those are nice base plates. Okay, filter media. Quaker State weighs 76 grams. Carquest was 79 grams. The Carquest is slightly larger. Yep, a little bit larger there. Okay, let's start with the Quaker State here. A lot of excess glue. Metal end caps. Bypass valve down here. And I counted 54 pleats. Glued seam. The filter media looks pretty good. I mean, the pleats are evenly spaced except for right here at the seam, but that's usually the case. And this has a cellulose and synthetic fiber media. Micron rating, I don't know. But this one is a lot dirtier than the one I opened up a couple days ago. Also, the glue is different on this one. See, it's got the dark glue. The one I opened up a couple days ago had the clear glue, or a cream colored glue. Okay, and here's the Carquest. Also has 54 pleats, glued seam, and also sloppy with the glue. Bypass valve here, metal end caps. Yeah, sloppy with the glue on both filters. And the Carquest Advanced Auto website doesn't say anything about this filter, but it looks a lot like the Quaker State, so I'm assuming it's probably the same. They both got the same amount of pleats. The only difference is their size, and that's not even much anyways. Stamp leaf spring. That's the Quaker State. And identical leaf spring for the Carquest. 8 grams, 7 grams. They look identical. Okay, and the cans. Quaker State can is 53 grams. Carquest can is 58 grams. 57 grams. And let's get some measurements on these cans. They're kind of thin. I was getting 0.36. 0.38 millimeters. 0.4 to 0.5 is about average. I can feel it's kind of thin. .36. Yeah, I think they're both about 0.36. Sometimes the lip on here gives me a false reading. You know, when you cut these cans open, the lip kind of goes in from the cut. You know, especially on these thin cans. And let's get some width measurements here. Quaker State is 2.55 inches wide, and the Carquest is 2.76 inches wide, a little bit wider. Filter medias look the same. I'm sure they are the same. Both look like pure later filters to me. Cut these filters open, stretch them out, and see how long they are. Okay, so here they are both stretched out, and they're both 44.5 inches long. Okay, let's start by getting their thickness. It's a Quaker State, labeled Q. 1.01 millimeters thick. And the Carquest is exactly 1.01 millimeters thick. Look at that. Same thing. I guess it'd be a safe bet to say these are both the same filter medias. Yeah. Yeah, let's look at the rest of the filter. This is all the same also. The only difference is the Carquest is just slightly larger by maybe almost 1/4 of an inch or something like that, 2/10 of an inch. But otherwise, the base plates are the same. Leaf springs, stamped leaf springs, same metal cores, same thickness in the cans. So between these two, I would just pick whichever one you can get cheaper. What do you guys think? Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The Quaker State filter media weighs 16 grams. The Carquest filter media weighs 17 grams.